Welcome back to Viscount Leisure here in Southampton. Check this out, 2016 Compass Rallye 530. Really nice spec. It's got auto levelling on it. We've got a manually engaged power touch mover, external gas barbecue point, solar panel. Really is a lovely bit of kit, and that self-leveling makes life so much easier. Really nice condition as you would expect from us here. Let's go and have a look inside. Got the heating on. We've dressed it up a little bit in here for you, so we can kind of imagine what it would look like. We've got this lovely little dinette here, which makes into a single bed. Really spacious kitchen area with lots of worktop space. Separate oven and grill. Electric hob point. Three-way fridge under the counter there. Lots of nice lighting in here as well. Really big lounge area, which makes into a lovely double. Lots of light from all the windows. Look. Up lighting, all looks excellent. Again, we can do a video walk around with you, no problems at all. If you want to pop down and have a look, just let us know. We're more than happy to make an appointment for you to come down and have a look. But it's definitely worth coming and seeing this one. And then down to our huge washroom at the back. There it is, look. Obviously got the ALDE heating, so we've got our heated towel rail. Nice big separate shower as well. Nice big wardrobe as well, which is good. But yeah, really nice van. Give us a shout. We're doing free delivery in 150-mile radius at the minute as well. But if you've got any questions about it at all, just let us know. 2016 Compass Rallye 530.